Okay, so today we'll be teaching you how to make elephant toothpaste. Some of the materials you'll need is activated yeast, dish soap, hydrogen peroxide, and warm water. I would recommend a bowl as well so that you can mix things in it. So, first step is to measure 1/2 cup of hydrogen peroxide, which I already have done right here for me. And then we pour that into the bottle, right here. Now, you don't have to get all of it, just make sure to get most. It's okay if some spills over. Okay, now that you've poured your hydrogen peroxide into the bottle, add a big squirt of dish soap. If you want to make your foam more colorful, take some food dye, and add it to it. Add as much as you want, as little, or as much. Okay, now that you've added your dye, swirl it around a little bit. Then, in a measuring cup, mix together 1 tablespoon of activated yeast and 3 tablespoons of water. So I suggest putting in the yeast first, and then taking your warm water, make sure it's warm. 1, 2, 3. Now stir it around for 30 seconds. Okay, now that you've mixed together all your yeast and warm water, pour it into the bottle. But before you do that, make sure to get all your tools away from the bottle because that's where your toothpaste is going to be coming from. So move all your tools away so that they don't get covered, and pour in the yeast. And yeah, see the magic happen. So, you may be asking yourself, how does this work? Well, when we combine the yeast, dish soap, water, and hydrogen peroxide, the yeast and dish soap catalyze with that hydrogen peroxide, causing it to break down into water and oxygen. Just a little amount of hydrogen peroxide causes a lot of oxygen, causing the oxygen to get caught in the bubbles and pushing them out of the container. This is what lets us turn the image on the left into the image on the far right.